Warning, before you watch this video, you cannot steal my video, otherwise you will be blocked from watching this. Okay, let's get started. Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox another toy and it's in this thing. But first someone has to win it to unbox it, and who will that be? These toys are going to try to win the race to get it, and no cheating. So who do you think would win? Put it in the comment below. Okay, and now they're going to race. Okay, they're right there. And first, any questions about the race, guys? Hand over the prize, please. Sorry, that's not how it works. No, give me. There. Now that should do it. Okay, let's go. There's sort of a tie. So I think, hey, she wins. Okay, now that she won, let's see what's in the box. Here is what's in the box. There's a ring, candy, and some eyeballs, and most of all, the pumpkin. Why don't we unbox the pumpkin? Great, we unboxed the pumpkin. Let's see how it works. We need a flat surface. Guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. Remember that. Bye.